Looking for a charging cable that keeps up with your busy day? This fast charging cable delivers up to 3 amps or 60 watts of power, so you can quickly juice up your USB-C devices using any type of charger, whether it's in your car, at home, or on your laptop. No more waiting around for your phone or tablet to catch up. What makes this cable stand out is its tough nylon-braided jacket. Unlike ordinary cables that fray or tangle, this one resists nicks and cuts while staying knot-free. It's designed to handle the wear and tear of travel, slipping easily into your bag without the frustration of tangled cords slowing you down. The aluminum connector heads add another layer of durability. Their solid construction means the cable won't easily break or bend where it matters most. This design choice ensures your cable lasts longer, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Besides charging, it keeps your devices in sync with data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Whether you're transferring photos, videos, or documents, you get a reliable connection that won't slow your workflow or entertainment. One user from the United States praised the cable's long length and reliability, saying it works fine and feels safer than cheap alternatives found in dollar stores. That kind of positive feedback reflects the quality and trust you can expect from this product. If you want a charging cable that combines speed, durability, and convenience, this is worth a look. It fits seamlessly into your daily routine, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the road. No more worrying about fragile cables or slow charging times. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience. This cable offers what you get: dependable fast charging, sturdy construction, and tangle-free travel convenience. It's a small investment that makes a noticeable difference every day.